I do feel like the house has a European sensibility. I'm certainly influenced by many Belgian and Flemish architects and designers, although I wouldn't say I was specifically going for that aesthetic 100%. I think it's just naturally part of my design sense. What I love about European design is that it doesn't feel that it can't be used. It doesn't feel that it can't be lived in. It exudes a lifestyle, and that's definitely what my ethos is. I want to create beautiful environments that are equally livable and foster a beautiful and fun lifestyle. We love this neighborhood of Bonsall Canyon, and we sort of like that pastoral vibe and the fact that we're completely private behind our gates. Once you get in here, it feels like a real compound. The light's always changing, the colors are always nuanced in different ways. Through that, it provides constant inspiration in a very dynamic way. The original home was built in the 60s. It was a post and beam ranch that had some really cool bones to it. There was a simplicity about it, which was kind of interesting, but the focus was not indoor-outdoor flow. Things were chopped up. It was much darker, so really, aesthetically, it's just night and day. We clad the exterior with the Shou Sugi Ban wood and sort of furred out the exterior of the house, which allowed us to pocket these large doors. And then we cut the eaves back of the old home, which extended far beyond the openings and basically blocked this energy and this flow that we were certainly desirous of creating. One of the rooms that we gravitate towards all the time is the kitchen and family room. It's a combined space, and this is a new volume. This is the portion of the home that was added onto. It's been really successful. It's basically the nexus of all of our activities, be it our family, parties in large groups, weekends, weekdays, nighttime, you name it. We love to hang out here. It connects to our yard and fire pit and outdoor living room, and the light is just beautiful, which you can probably get a bit of a notion of right now. And this is kind of the prime spot in the house for all of our living. Many of the pieces in our home are custom designs that we make with fabricators locally, but of course throughout the home there are some really special pieces that we collected along the way as well. We also have some items that I inherited from my parents, so there's other items of the home that are incredibly personal in that way, and then others, of course, that we just sourced specifically for this home. I go to Copenhagen once a year, go to the Paris flea markets whenever I can, and of course we have some amazing vendors and galleries here in Los Angeles and across the world that my firm works with. So I think we have a handful of collectible items that really add to the overall patina of the home and the timelessness by mixing obviously old and new and things that are beautiful and have been for ages and ages. We were quite intentional about the way the home was designed and how it activates this indoor-outdoor lifestyle that was paramount to us to connect to. I think the surprise, if anything, is just that we actually do use all of the rooms that are here, which sometimes is not the case. There's a room that you think, oh man, I should have done this or that. So I think that we did a good job at allocating spaces appropriately and really creating a home that we use each and every room that's here. I really am proud of this house. It is clearly a reflection of my personal aesthetic. It's a place where I can come home and recharge, find beauty, find peace, clear my head, be inspired. And this home, I hope, will be a constant source of that for me.